Guys, this is Ahmed Don. A quick video about the MBNA Best Western credit card, which is going to be terminated between starting September 12, 2023, as MBNA and Best Western they're ending their relationship. So after the termination, the only hotel loyalty program credit card in Canada available is going to be the Marriott Bonvoy American Express credit card. And if you have an active account, Best Western MBNA credit card, then probably you're either going to get an offer to switch to MBNA Rewards Platinum Plus Mastercard, or some of you may not even receive any offer to convert. You might just receive a notification that your account is going to be terminated. And here's some more information about the termination, and if you require, you can just pause the video and go through them. But on September 13, you'll no longer earn Best Western Rewards credit card. And here are the structure or the breakdown of how you're going to be earning on your new MBNA Rewards credit card. So basically you can just pause and watch the video. And this is kind of a sad news on the Canadian credit card market, but looks like the only one option for hotel credit card currently available is going to be the American Express Marriott Bonvoy credit card. For the next video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.